Let me show you what's going on. Satellite radar we go, and you can see the thunderstorms still going on from Athens to Mineola. Nothing severe here, though the thunderstorm watch is going to continue for about 15 more minutes and expire at 6 o'clock. There hasn't been any thunderstorm warnings really for the last 4 hours. There was one up in Denton County in the midday. This is a little bit of rain that's headed up across Forney, and maybe a lightning strike or two, but certainly nothing severe and not expected to be severe because that's in the cold air. The warm air is out ahead of it, and that's where all the lightning is. And the heavier rain that is continuing to march its way out of North Texas. As we take a look, cloud cover is still around in the aftermath of the front coming through. 56 is the current temperature and the low so far today. 77 was the high just before the noon hour. Can you believe that? We got up to 77 degrees. 9/100ths of an inch of rain, by the way. That's the fourth day in a row of some measurable rain at DFW. As you can see, that's where the front is. 72 in Athens, 72 in Tyler. 52 right now in Gainesville. So the cooler air is back in place. The last day of meteorological winter. It kind of feels like a winter evening out there. The other thing of note is the dew points. If you were out this morning, it was really humid out. Felt like a spring morning. Now dry air has come in, and we don't have to worry about any more severe weather in the next rain event that is due in here overnight. So, yeah, it was kind of a tale of two seasons in one day. Spring this morning. Now, if you're out this evening, put on that winter coat, maybe a layer. It's going to be a little chilly because of the strong winds on top of that. Here's your forecast for tomorrow, and very much the first day of meteorological spring is another winter day. We're talking about temperatures in the 50s, but notice these rain chances in the morning hours. We're not out of the rain just yet. We'll stop FUTURECAST here at 6 in the morning. You can see the heavy rain over by Hill County and up towards Sulphur Springs. A few showers around the Metroplex and off to the west we anticipate. But as we get later into the day, this is the noon hour. Temperatures will only be in the upper 40s, by the way, and it still has some cloud cover around, but the rain will pretty much just be off to the southeast, and that's where it'll be for the rest of the day. We could end up with some impressive amounts of rain down across Anderson County. Some of the forecast models kicking out over 2 inches of rain. Meanwhile, minor amounts of rain anticipated around the Metroplex. This is a high temperatures next 6 days, and you can see we'll climb out of this cold for March 1st tomorrow. We'll be in the 70s on Wednesday and Thursday. Another front comes through, and another chance of rain comes over. This is a low-pressure system that's due in here on Friday. It'll give us some rain chances just before we go into the weekend. So welcome to March, and we warm up from there into the 70s Wednesday and Thursday after that morning rain. Then rain on Friday with a few thunderstorms. And though a cold front comes through, not really cold next week. Looks like Saturday and Sunday next weekend will be into the 60s.